How to delete Twitter account permanently? For that, open the Twitter app, then tap on profile at the top left corner. Then the side menu will appear where you have to scroll and tap on settings and support. On this options, you have to select settings and privacy. Once the settings page appears, you have to tap on your account option. Now tap on deactivate account. So deactivate account means essentially the deletion of your Twitter account option. So as you can see at the top that you are about to start the process of deactivating your X account. So your display name, username and public profile will no longer be viewable on x.com, X for iOS or X for Android. So you can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. But if you do not restore your X account after 30 days, then your X or the Twitter account will be permanently deleted. So let's go and proceed to tap on the activate button at the bottom of the screen. Now you have to enter your password in order to complete your deactivation request. Once you have entered the password, you can tap on deactivate at the bottom right corner of the screen and easily delete your Twitter account permanently by not logging or by not restoring your X account until 30 days. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.